Hey guys, this is George from ergonomictrends.com, and in this part 2 video, I want to show you how to get to the inside of the cylinder where there's a piston inside to lubricate the piston in the event that all the things I told you about in the first video on how to fix a squeaky office chair didn't work. So to get to the inside of the cylinder, the piston, it's not that hard if you know what you're doing. And basically what you need to do is turn over the chair upside down like so. And then if you look at the bottom of the cylinder here, there's this thing that looks like kind of like a clip, right? And this is very standard for most office chairs. You'll see the exact same clip here. And the way to remove this clip is by using a plier and then maybe like a Swiss knife kind of thing. And these two things have to go together to remove this clip. So the key here is to first use the Swiss knife to lift the tab here. There's this two tabs here. And this is a tab that prevents this clip from moving. So you want to use this knife to raise the tab enough and then use the plier to slide out the clip once we've raised the tab enough so that it doesn't get stuck when we try and slide out this tab here. So there you go. Now it's come off, and I hope the camera can catch this. So once this clip is removed from the bottom of the cylinder, now all you gotta do is remove the washer here. And once the washer is removed, you can just lift the entire base out and reveal the piston inside. So as a last resort, if everything else I talked about in the first video didn't fix your squeaky problem with the office chair, this is the area you want to apply some lubrication to. There's a series of more washers here, so you want to remove it and remember the order that they came out from. And then just, in this case I'm using WD-40, but you could use any household lubrication that you want, and just apply generously lubrication all around the inside of the piston. I'm gonna get a paper towel. Just gonna smudge this lubricant all over the exposed area of the piston. So once that's done, just put everything back in the order that they came in. Put back the base. Put back the washer. And then just slide back the clip. And you slide it back with the tab part going in first. And there you go. So that's how you lubricate the inside of the cylinder where the piston is, sort of as a last resort if you tried everything else, but still your office chair squeaks. Okay? Thanks guys.